You like that, eh? You see something you like?
Oi, good grip. Do you lift, man? Hey, what's going on here?
We heard some cool music playing, so we came outside and found these cool guys.
This is our leader, Robin.
You don't look like no Robin to me, mate.
What? Are you mocking me? Oh, you're the Mockingbirds I kicked out of the chimney. That's right.
Why would you kick them out? They're really cool.
The chemicals I used must have mutated them.
I noticed you have laser eyes. Just so happens I do too.
The Hawk. The Canadian Goose.
You bird call like a pro, mate.
How about a robin?
Oi, everybody, I'm the leader. Me name's Robin, but me ain't got no feathers. Why are you encouraging these guys? They're just filthy birds.
I think they are sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Mockingbirds are nothing but trouble.
These guys? Yeah, right.
Yeah.